All set? Let's go.
What's our recipe for success? It's retail data.
Millions of cooks turn to Knorr to whip up tasty, delicious dinners in minutes.
But to inspire millions more, we launched a new range of cooking sauces in Taiwan.
Our challenge was to create a campaign that could reach new potential customers and measured impact on sales.
By partnering with the Trade Desk and its retail partner, Foodpanda, we could do both.
To run a powerful campaign, we partnered with the Trade Desk, which gave us access to premium inventory across the open internet.
Using high-quality data was mission critical. And that's where the Trade Desk market-first partnership with Foodpanda really delivered the goods.
Using Foodpanda's retail data, we were able to precisely target key audiences using multiple channels and devices.
And by activating Foodpanda's sales measurement solution, we connected our ad directly to sales of Knorr products, both through Foodpanda's app.
The results? Incredible!
We saw a 229% increase in add-to-cart rate and an 81% lift in conversions. What's more, 87% of people who bought Knorr products were new customers.
We now have a wealth of insights about our audience and better understand how our ads influence sales.
And that was the story of Unilever's success in short.
Thanks for watching.